Okay, a very good question. Find the approximate value of the cube root of 64.25. Solution. Now, remember, we are going to apply the knowledge of differential calculus to actually work at this. So, let's start. Let x be 64. Then increase in x, that is delta x, let t be 0.25. So we have these two going for us, so that is beautiful. Then, of course, it's going to be y is going to be cube root of x. Now, y being cube root of x means that y is equals to x raised to power 1 over 3 by indices. All right. So what we need to do is to differentiate now. Recall, if you have y is equals to x raised to power n, the differential is the y by dx is going to be n x raised to power n minus 1. Exactly the knowledge we are going to use. So we are going to have our dy by dx is going to be 1 over 3. Then we have x raised to power 1 over 3 minus 1. And is going to be 1 over 3. Then we have x raised to power minus 2 over 3. All right. Rearranging it, we are going to have dy by dx will be 1 all over 3. Then we are going to have 1 over x raised to power 2 by 3, which will be 1 all over 3 x 2 by 3. Now recall that actually dy is by implication delta y, then dx is actually by implication delta x. So therefore, we are going to have, let's find, since we know delta x, it has been given to us already as 0.25. So let's find our delta y. Now, since our dy by dx is actually 1 all over 3, then x raised to power 2 by 3, cross multiplying, we are going to end up with delta y, or dy will be 1 all over 3 x raised to power 2 by 3 times delta x, okay, or dx. So therefore, delta y now will be equals to 1 all over 3. Then x is actually 64, so we are going to have 64 raised to power 2 over 3. Then times delta x, which is 0.25. All right. So we are going to have our delta y will be equals to 1 all over I think we have 3, then we have 16, then times 0.25, which is 0.25 all over 48. Now, using our calculators, this is what we are going to have. 0.0052, approximately, let's say 1. All right, this is what we will have. Now, the root is actually, okay, the root is y plus delta y. That is the root. So, and what is our y? Y is actually cube root of x. So we have our y is equals to cube root of x, and x is 64. So that should be 8. All right. No, that should be 4 instead. Sorry. 4. So we are okay. We're good. So finally, we are going to have 4 plus 0.00521, which will be 4.00521. So approximately, we are going to have 4.01. Okay, that is to 3 significant figures, but this is a very good answer, and to 3 significant figures is 4.01. You can actually use your calculator to check and see whether you are correct or not. So this is the question, and it is very cheap. All right.